Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing some more Roblox Pokemon Brick Bronze Randomizer mode. Oh boy, I am excited for this. I am so excited. I know I'm uploading this pretty late, but I'm sorry. I didn't do one today, so I forgot. Yeah. Now, oh, that was quick. That was so quick. The reason I do Brick Bronze videos, they seem to be the only ones that, oh my god, let me turn it off. It's freaking dark. There you go. Is that better, guys? You can see me now. Nice and bright. Oh, wait. What happened? What's happening? What's happening? What the hell? I guess. Hello? Yeah! We're here! And I can't see my human. It's great. I cannot see myself. Oh no, I remember you can't jump. They haven't loaded in for me. Oh no, it hasn't loaded in. Of course it hasn't. It is like so laggy to not because of crap. Alright. Yay! And I think we need to give it a little bit of a heal. Everything's loading in now, it's great. 2 minutes in the video, we're wasting time. Need to do it quickly. Hello, and welcome to the Pokemon Center. Would you like to rest your Pokemon? Yes. I can't believe I still killed a Tapu Fini. I have a feeling that all the Tapus are like a family of like princesses, princes. Pretty sure Tapu Koko is like a prince. Tapu Lele looks a bit like a princess. I think Tapu Fini is a queen, but who knows? Just fix my computer because I'm very uncomfortable. Oh god. I have to do all this again. Forgot about that. Sorry. I've done the wrong one already. I've lost my marbles. I've lost my marbles. First one I have no problems with at all. I wish I can just skip this one. Alright guys, I'm just gonna skip the trainer battles. Okay guys, I'm back. I just didn't want to show you guys that. It would have been a bit boring for you guys. Alright. Hello. That puzzle knows what it takes to be a Pokemon master. Send it out. Oh my, no. Froakie is one of my favorite Pokemon. What do I have good against Froakie? Nothing, so I'm gonna have to risk it for a wing attack. Surely I'm faster, yeah. If he uses a water move, I could be in trouble. Oh, maybe not. One shot. That was easy. Good job, Moltres. Miss Magius. I think that's a ghost type, so I'm gonna send him Brock. Do some cleaning up. Yeah, I was correct. It is a ghost type. Shadow Ball. I should have gone knockoff. Oh no, it does no damage. It does no damage. Boom. And I'm gonna use knockoff now, because I like using that move. I like the combo. Get out of here. We don't need to see you, Miss Magius. Brock's the beast. Fennekin! Fennekin, I'm sorry, but you're gonna get destroyed by Crocodile. Crocodile's gonna bite you. No. Crocodile's gonna make you explode because... Oh, no. Oh, no, no critical hits, damn it. Oh, yes, that's good. Good job, Crocodile. That's what I want to see. Oh, fire spin. It does nothing. Oh, no, no, oh, no. He's trapped in a fiery vortex. But I'm a water type, right? So it shouldn't do much. Just finish off bite. Yep. Very quick bite. I could have gone for rage as well, but bite screen. Oh no, is it? Did he protect me? He protect? I used to think Fennekin's always a girl, but apparently it's not. I got confused. Sorry. Beat me. Yeah, I wish if I beat you, I could become a Pokemon Master. I really do. This guy should have a Lapras, but he doesn't. Or if he actually does. That'd be funny. Beach Bum Roland will like the battle. Oh my! I love this Pokemon. Oh yes. Yes. Wing attack. It's such... Wing attacks are very... Oh no, Scald. No. That's what I'm going to have to face in the gym battle. Oh no, I'm not. What am I talking about? Oh yeah, my Moltres last episode learnt Flamethrower. See ya. Moltres on low health. I don't care. He doesn't have Pokemon like he did before. Oh no, this guy has very high level Pokemon. They're like level 35. That's a problem. That's a big problem. Okay. Yes, I did beat Team Eclipse. I wrecked him. Come on, Quentin. Quentin. I do not know how to say this guy's name. I apologize. Lando, if you're watching this, I apologize. I said his name wrong. Why do the gym leaders have like the weakest Pokemon? Seriously? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Like the weirdest looking Pokemon. Oh my. Critical hit, see? Oh, wait, what? You're a normal type. That's why you're white. Yeah. Oh my god. Why? What? See what I mean? They have like the weirdest Pokemon for a gym battle in randomizer. Well, it is random. They can have Mewtwo. But Dunsparce. Let's go for a Psychic. Oh no, is that a bug type? Or maybe not. No, Mew! Mew's paralyzed. Oh yay. What the? Ah, I got paralyzed too, buddy. Oh, Lumberry. In your face, Dunsparce. I don't think it matters. I'm gonna knock him out, yeah. Oh no, it does matter. He does matter. Alright. Mega Punch! Yes! We're getting close to this gym badge! Mew? I like that. What? What type is that? No. Oh my god, that's a legendary Pokemon. And I think that's a Steel type. I think it's a Steel type. So if I use Flamethrower, will it knock it out? Guys, I got this gym badge, no problem. This is a legendary, I have to be careful here. We'll battle Tess and Jake next episode, guys. Sorry, next episode. I can't wait. Flamethrower or fire? I'm gonna go Flamethrower. Oh no, not that. Stop it, Cryogonal. Don't know how to say. Cryogonal. I was right, but that did no damage at all. Okay, why'd you do no damage? Maybe Fire Spin will do some damage. What is with this damage, bro? Oh yes, he's in a fiery vortex now. Yes, we're gonna get our gym badge, dudes. We're getting this gym badge 100%. There's no problem right now, but you're gone. Boom. Come on. Come on. Yes! Gym badge! Woohoo! Good job, Moltres. You fought hard. So did Jimmy. Well, thanks, Quinton. That's a load of great balls for me. So, yeah. Oh, yes. TM Scald, I am teaching that to Croconaw. Don't give a crap. But if... Oh, come on, yes. But if you guys enjoyed the video, I would like you guys to leave a like on this video. Yeah. Next episode, you might see a battle of me against Jake and then Tess. So, if you guys like this video, please leave a like. So, I'm gonna see another Roblox Pokemon rerun. Don't forget to smash that like button. So yeah, see.